To apply the blue ink style to your photo on Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit photo screen. Tap the tools icon or four dot icon. Swipe the menu bar below the photo to the left and then tap style. Next, tap the style section to the left until you find the blue ink style. If needed, you can adjust the intensity of this style by dragging the adjustment bar below the style to the right or left. If you are satisfied with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.